Okay, so in Super Mario Odyssey, I got all the moons except for 2 moons without triggering the cutscene where Cappy gets kidnapped. And I'm gonna show you how to do that. So let's get started. So you might want to save your game. Just in case if it doesn't get kidnapped. If Cappy gets kidnapped, I should say. Now, you want to climb on any of these trees. Aim for these branch things. And then make your way here to this log. Land on this. And then make it onto here. And then congratulations. You have now skipped the bird cutscene. So yeah, congratulations. Now you can get to the Toad shop early. And get this early. So yeah, congratulations. And yeah. Congratulations. Now you can get all the moons that you need when you first get here. And yes, I'm on a assist mode just for this video. Right, see ya. And like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in another video. Bye!